Hello my dear children, how are you all doing? So we all enjoyed Thrilling Thursday today and now it is time to enjoy a fantastic Friday. Yes my dear children, tomorrow it is a big celebration. Every second Sunday of the month of September we celebrate Grandparents Day and tomorrow is the day to show all our love and respect to our grandparents. So we are going to begin our day with the morning song first, then we are going to thank God through our prayers and then do some exercise and also some simple commands. And then we'll be getting involved in various activities to make their day, that is the Grandparents Day. Right? So do join us. And yes, after the morning assembly, we have the EduMax class. In the EduMax class, as you all know, children, those who have registered for these classes, they join us to have lot more fun. And tomorrow my foundation children have their assessment. My Shem Prep junior children are going to revise all this from A to E, and my Shem Prep senior children are going to learn how to write the Vyanjan Gha. Gha se ghar. And yes, as you all know, these are the interactive live classes, and if you want your child to be registered for these classes, do click on the link or call us up on the numbers that we have shared in the chat box. And yes, in the evening, we have the EduMax Plus for them. So EduMax Plus are the skill enhancement activities for the children. If you want your children's talent to be enhanced a little more, you want them to go and have fun also simultaneously, then do make them register for these classes. We have Be Creative in this. They are learning a lot of art and craft activities. We have Be Flexible, where they're learning various dance styles. We also have the talk show, and the talk show is really making them confident to speak before the audience, and they're also learning how to use the correct grammar for various compositions. And yes, we also have various life skills for them. They're learning cooking, they're learning how to manage their time, their things, and they're getting a lot more confident and independent also. So if you want your children to grow and learn and enjoy, so do register for both the lovely programs, that is the EduMax and the EduMax Plus. And we also have a lovely group for you to join and get all the resources free, that is the Telegram group. So if you wish, we have shared all the details in the chat box. Click on the links and get yourselves registered. So that's all for now. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.
Okay, Ayush, how many sticks? Okay, yes. Okay, Ayush, how many sticks are these? Say with your mouth.
9.
Good. Tell me the spelling of 9.
N-I-N-E.
Wonderful. I says ice cream, and the short sound of the letter I is I. I. And what starts with I? Ink, igloo, India.
ये देखो क्या है पॉन्ड के अंदर. What is this? What is this?
आपको फिशी
ये आती है ना? ये भी तो राइम आती है. ये किसको आती है? ज्ञान.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ की गर्दी है, हाथ की मर्जी है.
Oh, lovely, lovely, excellent.
Any old magazine, any old newspaper, any old colored paper, you can tear it into small pieces. I have pasted the black on her hair. I have also made her dress so pretty. In the same way, even you can do it. You put the black on the hair and the hair is on the head. By this I remember there is a very nice story about, yes, very nice Anya, Akshansh, lovely. In the same way you can also do the face and the hair. Very good, Devanshi. Very
Actually enjoying, having lots of fun, and these are interactive sessions which she's liking. Totally fun filled, so she's liking it. So I'm also happy that she's growing in the right direction.
She is very engaged in the dancing activity and the creativity.
During this hour, it is very useful to us also. We used to spend most of the time by doing activities like that. She's enjoying a lot.
Did your children enjoy that? My name is Amol Arora. I'm the Managing Director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We've got many more such activities in our EduMax learning program. We've created an amazing learning program because we realize children are at home, they cannot come to school, and schools have the expertise to educate children. To overcome this, we've come up with an amazing program which requires minimum eye strain, which has virtually no eye strain. Children just look for communication, they do the activities. It's a full day program. There's so much for children to do, and what the best thing I can tell you is get a free trial version. Just call the number below and get a free trial version and see for yourself how amazing it is. I'm sure you'll love it, but for the first step, take a free trial, and we are confident that your child would love EduMax as much as we have loved designing it. Good luck.